Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, I'm still busy on the BMW S1000R. Changed a broken engine for a second-hand new one. And today I'm gonna mount the chain back onto the bike. So I would say come on over and we start. Now guys, over here I have the chain. It's all in very good shape as I renewed the chain not that long ago. Anti-seize. And I always love to put that a tiny bit on the splines over here. Hop. So. And over there too. Okay, this is lovely in the way, so it's easy to take it off. Like this, yes. Kijk, watch. So, for a better view, huh? Then, with the writing facing you, just let's see. Yes, nice. Okay, I have a new. This one. Okay, like that, but to be sure that I can get my screwdriver underneath it, I'm gonna give this a tiny wiggle, so somewhere like this. Sure, it's not at the right spot, but yes, the nut. Okay, good, nice clean. Okay, yes. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, loosen this nut, the rear axle. This one is socket 55. Da, 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 da. And I need this one. Okay. Then this one. The next thing, we're gonna loosen these bolts. Let's see, this is 13. Yep. Okay. Then this one. So, then the other side. Up, up, up. Yes. Okay. Verder. Zo. There is only one moment in your bike life that you are allowed to kick your bike, and that's now. Watch. Oh, give it a smackety smack. Yes. Well, maybe it wasn't necessary, but sometimes it's nice to do. So then I'm gonna place my towel over here, and maybe another one. I don't want to have my chain filthy. Okay, this out of the way. This is my link chain link. Da, 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 da. Now, pop up. Okay. Here. So. Ah, shit. Yes. It was still in gear. No. Up. Yes, there he is. Now, be sure to have it on the right spot. Yes. Yes. And then like this. Great. What you hear is my stove. To get it nicely warm in here. Guys, a lot of people ask me why I'm always sitting on my knees. I don't know. I do it for all of my life. I guess in the early days I didn't have anything to lift the bike. I never have a problem with it. Never had sore knees, or I can do it for hours and hours. It's never a problem. So that's out of the way. First I'm gonna give it a bit of a clean. And yes. Then guys, we have the link. Hop. Hey, my Vivor special table. Hop. This. Okay. Yep. The link and the X-rings and grease lightning. Nice, they already opened it. 4 O-rings, X-rings. So, now, first thing, we're gonna prepare this one. I have to press this one on. This, and then this one needs to be pressed onto it. And there is a tool for that. Actually, this is a rather old one. I'm not sure what the brand was, but it's a really, sturdy one. Okay, this needs to be this one. I'm gonna take out. Yes. Then, hopefully you can see it. Oh, this one over there. Link, press. Okay. Then, now let's move on. This one. First, we're gonna open the grease. This. Let's see if it's, yes. Don't worry guys, you have plenty of grease. Put grease around there. Up. See, like this. Okay, then over there also. Hop. So, okay, yes, no, not yes, then a bit more, so like this, yep. 2 rings. Come on. Hoppa. Wow. Put them in. And like this. A bit of grease on top. This one too. And we're gonna grease those pins too. Needles and pins. Needles and pins. Wow, it's a nice greasy thing. Then I'm gonna push it in like this. Yep, let's do it a bit like this. Wait a minute. So those O-rings are nicely seated. O-rings, X-rings. Oh, X-rings, O-rings. Yes. Then guys. So, grease over here. Over there. Sure. It's everywhere. You have enough, so don't worry about that. There too, guys. yes. Then we push, whoops, over of the X-rings in, like this, and his brother too, like that. Did I saw a hair? Yes. Oh no, it was grease. Lightning. Da, 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 da. See, you have more than enough. That's absolute great. Hop. If you do it the right way. Yeah. Watch all the way. Finish all the grease. Hop, there. Ah, whoop. Let's see up here. Then we have this link. Then we have my machine. It's very loose, so you have to be careful not drop it. Yes. Then in a moment, get you closer. So now, guys, I take my one size fits all. Why? Well, because I say so. Remember those dinosaurs with the company? We say so. Okay, then gave it the first impression, and okay, now I'm gonna take my, see, it's already nicely pressed. I take my vernier caliper and we're gonna measure what the distance is. And this one is 2028. Let's see this one. Oh, 2034. So let's say 2030. That would be a good one. So need to be sure that it's aligned with those holes. I think it must be somewhere over there. Now, oh, sorry. Yes, see, nicely. Okay, now let's see if we didn't. It's, wait a minute. We aimed for 2030 and this one is now at 2073. So a tiny bit more. we said a tiny bit more. And I think this would be perfect. Nope. It's now 20:59. So a bit more. Yes, feel it going up. Let's see where it's now. Yes, it's now at 20:30. So it's perfect. Then you roll it around. Okay, now we're gonna flare it. This is a 525 ZVMX2. 25. It needs to be flared in between 5.7 millimeters to 6, and we need this tool for that. It has this, they say. So then, guys, we're gonna this one out, then okay, this one all the way back. Okay, then this one in. Oh, this needs to be actually gonna take it out. And then on the other side we need this one to hold that pin, otherwise I would push the pin out, huh? And then ta-da. Ready, Freddy? Up. Over there in a minute. Gonna, oops, guys, sorry, I forgot to turn the camera on. This one is now at 577, but I'm gonna give it just, oh, oops, let's see where we've got this now. Okay, this one is 579. Actually, you have to go till there, till it's seated, but guys, over time that wears out, and if you flare it too far, then that's not good. But okay, up. I guess that would be then this one another go to. That's almost there. So to see. Okay. Up. Yes. Now let's do the measurements. Put it to 0. This one is now at 586. Well, that's perfectly within spec. And his brother is now at 587. Also perfect in spec. Well done, old mechanic. Then the next thing we're gonna do. Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do is get the chain a bit into the right spot. First we're gonna a bit, tiny bit tight, and then chain is going up. It's now over here on. In a moment we're gonna put it on its side stand, guys, because it needs on its side stand. It's now upper on 2. I'm gonna do it on this side too. Okay. Oh, a bit more. Just fast too. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Let's see. Whoa. Needs to be. Now it comes. Okay, and now you have to. It's now on the upper side on 3. And we look at the upper side here. Whoa. Neat. Guys, there are 2 markings on the bottom side and on the upper side, and it's half between half. Understand? Feet pump. A bit more. And now look at the upper side, and it's at 3. And the upper side here is, oh wait a minute, a little bit back. Hop. And now we're gonna take it off the off the jack of the motor stand. Hop. Okay. 35 and 45 millimeters in the middle of the chain. So first I'm gonna give this a tiny bit more so it doesn't go back. Then we take a ruler. Now let's see, guys. Whoop. Of course I'm in the way with my big head. From there to there, that's over here. Let's see, that's from 9 to 5. It's now exactly on 4. Wow, nicely in the middle. Perfectly Well done, old mechanic. Yeah. I'm gonna give you a closer look. The light, see? There are two markings. At the upper side now, it's touching just 3. And on this side, it's, hopefully you can see it, also on 3. The next thing we're gonna do, fasten it. Then we're gonna take the torque wrench. It needs to be torqued with 100 Newton meters. Da 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 da. That's over there. Big back. Wait a minute. That's over there. We're gonna torque it. Yes. Yep, perfect. Okay. Then we're gonna put this one tight to that one, and then we're gonna fasten that locking nut. Yes, nice. Okay, and this one. Oh, yes. Okay. And now, guys, we have to torque this one. First, we have to put it in gear. Guys, to torque the front sprocket, you need to put it in gear and apply your rear brake, but I can't do that at the same time, so over here. Well, this would be enough. Also apply the front brake, something like this. Yep. Yes, applied the rear brake. Then we go to the other side. This needs to be torqued with 125 Newton meters. Got my torque wrench. And it's socket 32, 125. That's really tight. Let's see, this is, and that should be over here. Can I? No, I think I need short extension. Guys, hey, needs to be tighter, my brake. Now, let's see if it's okay. Yes. Hoppakee. Okay. Now, let's go to the other side of the moon. It's really tight. Hopefully, oh, yes. Okay. This out of the way. Now guys, we're gonna lock that nut with that plate. And remember, I got it a little bit upwards already, because I know if you don't do that, you have to pry something underneath here. And now it's already a bit upwards. So. Yep. Okay, almost there. Yes. So you can see it better. Hey. Hop. Yes. See?